Today we are going to make a delicious blueberry crumble cake. Here are the ingredients we need to make this blueberry cake batter and our amazing crumble topping. First we are going to make the crumble topping. For that we can simply combine flour, sugar and ground cinnamon together. Then add butter into the same bowl and mix it until the mixture feels crumbly. To make the cake batter, get a large bowl and beat butter and sugar in it. We need to beat this until mixture becomes thick and pale in color. After that, add eggs one at a time and beat more. We can now add vanilla and fresh milk and mix well to combine. In a separate small bowl, we need to combine flour and baking powder together. Then gradually add this flour mixture into the batter. When flour combined well, we can add half of the blueberries into the batter. After that, we can transfer the batter into a baking tray and put rest of the blueberries on top. Today for this cake, I got a 8-inch size round baking tray. After spreading crumble topping on top of all blueberries, we can bake this cake around 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, let the cake cool down around 15 minutes and dust with some powdered sugar. Hope you will give this blueberry crumble cake a try and enjoy. If you like to get notified every time I upload a video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.